Hello everyone, welcome back to the Home Lab series again. And let me check my audio is proper or not. Seems proper. Okay, so again, hello everyone, welcome back to this Home Lab series. And in previous video, we talk about like how to make our app update and app upgrade working by configuring the repository and all. If somebody is unable to find like how to update, how to make app update work in proxmox, then let me know. I will send you some video links, or I will try to make a new video for the setup. Else if you are able to do or make your app update work, then let's move forward to the next steps. So in this video we will be making a virtual machine in our home lab, proxmox home lab. Very not well, everything is home lab here. Okay, so let me re-explain. So in this video we will be making a virtual machine in our proxmox server, and for the virtual machine I will choose a NixOS machine because I already have a Ubuntu and Kali machine. So you can try any virtual, any OS of your choice. Let's just log in and I will explain in the process. So just enter your username and password for your home proxmox server. uh, okay, so again this no valid subscription warning, I need to remove it. I will remove it in some video. Let's just cut it for now. Okay, so see, I already have 3 virtual machines, Akino, Albedo and Grammarly in my proxmox server. Albedo is a Kali Linux machine. Grammarly and Akino are Ubuntu machines. So we will and see this Akino, Albedo and Albedo DR. These are the what we say. These are disk attached to those virtual machines. So when you want to create a virtual machine, you need a disk, and then you need to use your CPU and RAM and all, like assign on those disk. Basically disk will contain your OS code and everything, and when you run a VM your disk will be given attached to some CPU and RAM and all, and your virtual machine will work. A high level view. Let's just start creating a virtual machine without wasting any time. Okay, so for your virtual machine you need a disk. So see, we have some disk, albedo dr. This is a directory level disk. The other are lvm thin, and lvm thin is basically logical volume manager, and thin means basically its size can vary. Like if, okay, let's just add a new volume, new storage, for your understanding. So if I click on add, it is giving me options like directory, lvm, lvm thin, and lot of other volumes, lot of other storage options, not volume. Okay, so see, directory one is the storage volume, which basically have, you can say, some kind of file system. So, and like lvm, lvm thin are basically, you can say, just bare metal hard disk, you can say. And for upload, like you need a ISO image for booting your system, so you will need a directory one storage, so that you can upload your ISO image in that. And lvm and lvm thin ones for your, for, you can say, hard disk to provide to your virtual machines. If you see, I have few storage options already configured: albedo, dr, local. These are directory types. And see, you see backup, disk image, import, ISO image, some options here. Like this, you can say these are options for like like what you can do with this storage. So for directory type you can do all these things, and For LVM thing, you can use it as a disk image or a container volume, something like that. uh, uh, and LVM thing is, there is just one difference. If you use just LVM, like this LVM, your storage will be, you can say, a rigid storage like 100 GB or something. In LVM thing, it will contain like amount of storage which you are using, like you assign 100 GB and you're using 40 GB, and it will be 40 GB, and it can expand like with the storage. It's not like you will give 100 GB and rest like only 40 GBs are used and 16 GB 60 GBs are wasted, nothing like that. So LVM thin is a better option, so I just created all of volumes as LVM thin. So let's create new volume so that you will have a better understanding. For uploading ISO image, we will need a file system where we can upload our ISO images. So we will create a directory volume. Let's first download a ISO image so that you will know what we are going to do. I will install a Nix OS. You can choose OS of your choice like Ubuntu and Kali Linux and anything. So download Nix OS ISO file. First website nixos.org. Open this. By scrolling a little down, you see download graphical 64-bit Intel AMD graphical 64-bit ARM. So I am using Intel AMD. Just click on this. Download started. I already downloaded this ISO image before, so just stop it. You can download it. But I have already downloaded it, so let's just not waste time in downloading it again. Okay, so back to our proxmox server. Now we have like I have ISO images downloaded in my laptop. So we need to create volumes storage options for our virtual machine in our proxmox server. Let's add a directory level one. Give it some ID. Let's give it, and you can give any. I will say it as Nix OS volume storage. I'm using volume and storage repeat in Exchange, but I mean storage here. Volume is also like, you can say, similar to storage. Directory, which directory I want to give? Slash, no, slash data. This will be the directory in your proxmox server. So see, we are creating a directory level storage, so it is going, it have to, like, it will be somewhere in your virtual machine. So we have a meme proxmox server here. So in that on slash data, it will store the files which we upload here, most likely. So that's I think it is going to do. We can check it too, but most likely it will be that. So we are using it for ISO container. Just let's make it everything, so we can use it later for everything which we want. So I've specified disk image, ISO image, container backup, everything. So let's just go ahead with that. NixOS storage, add. So you see NixOS storage is added, and see I added NixOS storage on data center level, but we have only one node in our data center, which is meme, one mini PC server which we created. So here in that server, it is, we can see this volume here, this storage here, and in summary you can see 100 GB because the file system of our meme, this machine, is 100 GB right now. We have a 512 GB SSD, but by default it took only 100 GB. We can expand it later. Let's and yeah, 18 GB is already filled because I uploaded few ISO images already in some volume. You can see like in albedo dr slash mnt slash albedo. We have some images. Where is albedo dr? ISO images. See, in albedo dr I uploaded Kali Linux and Ubuntu server and Ubuntu desktop images already. So these are the previous. Let's upload a new ISO image here. So we created our storage, NixOS storage volume here. Let's upload our ISO image here. We downloaded our ISO image, NixOS 1, NixOS graphical. This was the one. You can choose the ISO image of any OS which you install. Just select it. Okay, so now just click on upload. See, it is uploading our ISO image. It's kinda slow, but let's just wait for a while and give the time it want to like it will take to upload it on the server. It's pretty fast because I am in the local network. See, after that we will be creating our disk like volume for our NixOS virtual machine. We will be creating a LVM thing because there will be less storage wasted in that. That's why I'm going for that. You can go for any other if you want. Because I'm kind of short on storage, just 512 GBs of storage. Let's see how many minutes I'm into this video. 11 minutes already, and long. But I'm going a little slow so that you will understand every part of the process. 70% done. You can skip to the complete part if you want, or you can wait, your choice. %90 done. For some reason, if you want to, oh, it's complete. I thought I cut it. Task this, starting file import, finished file import successful. Cool. So our ISO image is uploaded. See, you can see this image here in NixOS storage. So we can go ahead with creating one more volume for our NixOS virtual machine. So LVM thin I'm going to select. NixOS disk, you can name it any, like you can give it any name which you want. Data, PV, volume group, just keep everything to default. Add. So now we have one more volume, NixOS disk. It's a LVM thin, so it is taking all the space which we have, like it can take, but it's not taking right now. We will need to debug how this works, but like I have total 374 GBs left for like total space I have, other than like leaving the 100 GB of meme directory volume. So like whenever I create volumes, our data data center assigns some part of storage from this 374 GBs. So let's go here, summary, storage. Okay, meme here, disk LVM and LVM thin. Yeah, see, there is data volume in thin pool which is PV and 374 GB. So whenever we create any volume, you see there is the option of PV. Where is that option? Like when I add LVM thin, you see volume group PV and thin pool data. So from PV volume group and data, there is only one image which is like this data is in our meme proxmox server. If you have multiple proxmox server, you can choose like which proxmox server volume which you want to use, but we have only one now, so it is not giving any option to us. Okay, so that's all. So basically in this meme server you have this LVM thin pool. Whenever you create storage, it will give assigned storage from this. And yes, see, there is a directory volume 2 LVM 500. See, LVM, there is this PVE LVM dev SGA3 which is 511 GBs. It assigned volumes from this to this LVM thin pool, which is data. See, volume group PVE, and 374 GBs are used. Okay, so that's all. We can go little deep later into this. We are mainly focused on creating virtual machine here. So let's create virtual machine here without wasting any time. So see, you see a option here, create virtual machine. Click on this. Node is meme. Virtual machine ID, let's give name it default. Name virtual machine Nix OS VM. Next, storage I want to use Nix OS storage. ISO image I want to use is this which we used before. Type is Linux. Kernel is this. Just keep everything to default. Next option, graphical card. Graphic card, which one we should use? Spice. Let's keep it on default. But Spice I heard is used for like good for if you want to transfer audio and all. But for now, let's ignore this. Keep everything to the default. Next over disk, which I how much disk I want to use. Storage I want to use is NixOS storage. Select the storage which you created here. Don't forget it, else it will assign storage from some other volume which you create. Okay, so looks fine. 32 GB is enough. Either way, it is LVM thin. Format QM format. Okay, QM image format raw disk image. Keep everything to default. CPU, I want to give 2 CPUs to it. Next, for the RAM, let's give it 4 GBs. 96, and don't worry, whenever your VM is running, it will ask for this much amount of CPU and RAM. It's not like if your VM is not running, it's going to ask. So you can assign anything. Like I have only 4 CPUs and 16 GBs RAM, but I created many VMs. If I will run all of them at same time, then it can have some problems, else it is fine. So don't worry, just next. Keep it on default. Okay, network option bridge, only bridge. No network device, so maybe we can add some other network device like NAT and all later, but for now just keep it at default. Just finish it. Okay, so here you see 103, our NixOS virtual machine. It's creating, so it's done. Let's start our virtual machine. Basically we gave it some disk, we gave it some you can say RAM and all. Also see here, when we just click on this virtual machine like NixOS VM, you will see console option here, this one and this one. You can choose any. If you choose this one, then it will just like open a console for your VM in the same proxmox UI. If you click on this, it will just click on like open one more part, like it will open a pop-up window and you can access here. Let's just maximize it. It's fine too. So it is our NixOS startup menu which opened. So it is asking welcome NixOS installer. Program will ask you some questions. Set up your NixOS on your computer. American English, just set it up. Next. I will keep everything to default. It is in Asia, Kolkata, time zone. Okay. Keyboard is 123 Q. Let me check the keyboard. I messed there this once. AST, yeah, looks fine. ZX1, yeah, that looks fine. uh, what is your name? I should have gave a cool name to it, but let's just give it. I can change it later if I want. So let's give it some NixOS name. What name do you want to log in? NixOS. Why I can use hyphen here? I can use okay. Cool. NixOS. Choose password to keep your account safe. Some default password. Uh, give your password. Check it based on your name. Ignore it. Require strong password. Uh, choose password for the administrator account. Oh, it is asking for two passwords. The password files fails. The dictionary check it is based on your username. Hmm. Probably it is saying like I just use password as nix-os, same as my username. So it is basically checking like password is same as my username or not. So it is giving a warning because it can be cracked by brute force attack and all. So let's just change it to some other name. Nix. Mm, I'm just using simple passwords. Let's use a tough one. This one looks good. Yeah, this one is perfect because I use a difficult password now. Which UI I want? Plasma, XFCE, Phantom, Cinnamon, Mate, Enlightenment. Cool lot of UI options. Baggy, Deepin, no desktop. Oh, no desktop. It means like maybe terminal one. This looks kinda like Mac, I guess. Deepin. Uh, this is kinda dumb. Mate. Mate is not good, so little icons. Python. This one is also look good. Phantom. This one looks like little Kali Linux. Plasma. Genome. Genome I used a lot. I will use Deepin. Looks cool. Deepin or Phantom, I guess. Yeah, this two one looks good. This two UI looks good. I'm just thinking which one I should use. Let's go with this. Deepin looks kinda cool. Little. You can go with your choice. Next choice is fully open source, but it also provides optional software packages that do not respect user freedom to run copy, distribute, study, change, and improve the software, and are commonly not open source by default, such as free packages are not allowed, but you can enable it here. If you check this box, you agree that unfree software may be installed, which might have additional end user license agreement (ULA) that you need to agree. If not enabled, some hardware, notably NVIDIA GPU, CPU, and Wi-Fi chips might not work or not work optimally. Let's just go ahead. Okay, QMO 32 GB erase disk. Take complete disk, it's yours. Install. Next, okay, now install setup is started. Oh yeah, so you see it is not completely scaled, so you can just go here in settings. In scaling mode you can use local scaling, and if you try to maximize it now, it will work. Cool. I guess we need to wait a little more for waiting for it to install complete and work. 46% done. How long we are into the video? Let me check. Okay. Oh man, 25 minutes. Who is gonna watch this video? Skip and watch it on 2x. Why it is stuck? Installing NixOS. Just do it fast, man. Okay, it is not stuck, but just taking so long. Mm, 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 mm. Is 2 cores not enough for this? Hmm. Why it is taking so long? And is the using Nix is the right choice? I am not sure. I am installing it for the first time, but I heard a lot about this Nix OS. Mm, well, we will see about it. This Nix OS is famous for, you can say, its package manager. Nix package manager is a very famous package manager. I never used it before, but I heard a lot about it. It basically keep everything on Git, and you need to modify a file and it will like automatically download everything for you, like less dependency issues and all. And yeah, it is open source like other Linux versions. Why it is stuck on 56%? For because of this reasons it is taking so long in this video. But let's wait and complete. You can skip if you think it is taking too long. Man, I'm live and I'm recording. Hmm. I guess we need to wait here. What we can do until then? I guess I should go through my channel. YouTube, uh, studio, my channel. So yeah, see, this is my channel and this is Home Lab series which I am working on right now. There is a Linux command series too, and I guess there is a Docker compose series too. Yeah, these are series which I removed, made private because they were not good enough. Uh, let's just open it in incognito. Yeah. Now you will see must know series is about ChatGPT and all. Home Lab series where you will find Home Lab videos. Yeah, I have 10 videos here. You should watch them. They are pretty good. Basically, my journey of Home Lab, Linux command series, and playing with Docker. I did a lot of cool things you can say, like setting up a local LLM model, a small one obviously, and all. So let's check it out. Let's see how much is the progress. We are here 46% still. Why it is taking so long? Is it stuck? No, the screen is moving, so not stuck. Should I increase the CPU? But I will need to stop this VM for that. Let's just wait. Wait and wait. Oh, by the way, like if you have any doubts and you want me to make a detailed video on some part, if I miss something, then you can let me know. I will do that. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. I need subscribers for my motivation to keep going to make these YouTube videos. Next OS VM. Hmm. If you have any good and cool ideas which I can try and My proxmox server and home lab basically, so let me know. I will try them out. And why this is stuck at 46%? If it is like working, then at least show me complete logs and all, like I will know something is happening or it is not stuck. Toggle log. Okay, something is happening. What happened? Installation failed. Did not complete. Why? Would you like to paste the install log to the web? No. Why it failed? Installation failed. NixOS has been installed on your computer. Why, man? Let's just try installing it again. Summary. Shut down. Why this stop? This is first time I'm seeing it. Some installation failed. Let's increase the hardware. CPU, processors, edit. Let's give it 3 this time. Should be enough, man. Don't be greedy. Cranberry VM. This has 2 cores. I guess I can stop this for now. Pause. No. Shut down. Stop. Else it will have some. Else it can use some resources. For next OS, I give 3 calls. Don't be too greedy for this time. Let's start it. Open the console. Booting from hard disk. Boot. Scaling options. Local scaling. Man, after so much time, why it is not working? And why you stuck now? Serve C BIOS version this. Machine this. Booting from hard disk. Boot, man, why you stop? Next OS storage hard disk this size 32 GBs. Is 32 GBs is not enough for NixOS? No, I don't think that. Some other error is going on here. Why every weird case happens with me? Well, I'm installing NixOS for the first time. Why it's stuck? Should I restart? Hello, hello, work. I guess I should stop and restart it. Shut down. Yes. Let's just recreate the entire VM. Where is the remove option? Okay, it is not coming until it will stop, I guess. Stop. Okay, cool, it stopped. Now I will just remove this VM. We'll recreate. Destroy parts configuration and refresh disk out by guest. ID is 103. Remove. Let's create another. Let's create VM again. Create VM. Node meme. Nix OS VM. Next, OS storage from next OS storage. I also this. Next, uh, everything default. Disk I will use next OS disk. Yeah. I used some other disks before. Maybe I forgot. Course, let's give 3 this time, but 2 should be enough. 4096 CBs of RAM, everything default. Finish. Mm, Start the VM. Let's open the console first. Now start it. Let's see. NixOS Genome installer, NixOS Plasma installer, LTS. Okay, Genome installer. Go fast, install fast, man. Okay, it is starting from hard disk. American English, next. Next, just go with default options. Next. Next OS. Some password. Okay, cool. Let's next. Desktop. I want this deep in. Can be the issue with this like option which I'm using. Allow this. Next. Erase disk. Next. Next. Don't stuck this time. It was stuck on 46% here. Complete. Don't stuck this time. Let's open the logs from the start. Next was install copying channel. It took so much time on this part before QML component default slide. So next slide. Next was install building the configuration TMP cameras root. Next was configuration.nix. Increase from 46%, man. Something is happening. As long as it is not increasing from 46%, there is a chance it can fail again. Let's hope this will work this time. We have no choice and other than waiting for this right now. Still 46%. You can skip till the end. I guess it is going to take long. Still 46%. How long it gonna take? Still stuck. Don't tell me it is going to fail again. If it will fail this time, I will install a Ubuntu server instead of this. Why you stuck, man? Still stuck. How long we are into the video? 44 minutes for installing just a virtual machine. That's too much. Mm, Work, man. Hmm. Looks like it is not gonna install this time. I guess I should close the video and get back to you guys later. Like what happened to with this VM. If it will not work, then we are going to install our own server instead of this. Uh, hmm. Man, I don't get it why it is not working. And it's saying Python job, next version install, found this, next door, found version this, and stuck. Toggle logs. Wait, is it freezing? It is freezed. The machine is freezed, and why it can be freezed? Maybe the genome is not working. I guess I will keep like if I will leave this for hours like that, and we'll get back to you later, like what happened to this video, and we should end this video for now. Let's meet in the second video for what happened to this NixOS. We will discuss about that later. See you until that.